how to keep your car smelling great. Now, the secret to a pleasant odor in your car is...
This is considered one of the best homemade tire revitalizers you could
scrub away with the black spot, and you can see the difference.
Because you should cut the potato open and wipe the cut surface over your slot.
Just using simple baking soda, but this baking soda...
Olive oil, that's it. And some napkins. So let's check it out.
You only need 2 simple things to make your car feel brand new again. No expensive tools or mechanical visits required. In this video, we reveal 9 car secrets that'll save you cash, protect your ride, and keep it looking flawless. Let's dive in. Secret 9. Toothpaste for headlights. Have you ever noticed how headlights lose their sparkle over time, turning hazy, yellow, and dull? It's not just an eyesore, it seriously cuts down your nighttime visibility, making driving unsafe. But before spending hundreds on replacements or fancy kits, grab some regular white toothpaste from your bathroom. Why toothpaste? It's the mild abrasives in toothpaste that work to buff away the grime and oxidation layer that's clouding your headlights. Here's the move. Wet a clean cloth, apply a good dollop of toothpaste, and scrub your headlights in circular motions. The mild abrasives polish off that hazy layer. Then rinse the headlights with water and dry them thoroughly with a soft cloth. The result is headlights that shine almost like new again. This trick improves how far you see at night and even how drivers see you. And toothpaste is cheap, non-toxic, and easy to use without costly chemicals or tools. Secret 8. Use olive oil on dashboard.
Then we're gonna get our olive oil and pour some on a napkin, just like that. Rub it into your dashboard, and you see?
Your dashboard takes a beating from glaring sun, dust, and temperature swings, which eventually dulls and cracks plastic surfaces. Most drivers reach for expensive proprietary dashboard polishes that promise protection and shine. But here's a natural, cost-effective alternative: olive oil. Olive oil is packed with antioxidants and natural oils that restore moisture to dried-out skin. It adds a subtle shine and forms a light barrier to repel dust and dirt. It smells great compared to chemical-laden polishes. To apply, simply put a few drops of extra virgin olive oil on a clean microfiber cloth and gently rub it onto your dashboard, center console, and any other plastic trim inside the car. Spread evenly, avoiding over-application. The oil absorbs quickly and leaves surfaces looking refreshed without being greasy or slick to the touch. Secret 7. Hand sanitizer for frozen locks. Winter mornings bring a common frustration: frozen car door locks. Trying to force the key into an icy lock can damage both the key and the lock mechanism, potentially leading to costly repairs or lockouts. While many reach for commercial deicer sprays, here's a foolproof, cheaper hack: hand sanitizer. The high concentration of alcohol in hand sanitizer quickly melts the ice blocking your locks. It's safe, fast, and effective. Using it is simple. Squirt a generous amount of hand sanitizer into the frozen lock and onto your key. Insert the key while gently twisting it to break up the ice. The alcohol melts quickly, freeing your lock and avoiding damage from excessive force. This trick saves time waiting for your car to warm up or the hassle of finding a locksmith. Secret 6. Soap and Colgate for side glass. Side windows are a notorious trouble spot for greasy streaks, fogging, and stubborn dirt buildup. Standard window cleaner often falls short, leaving smudges or fogging up quicker than you'd like. But here's a simple trick that works wonders: mixing liquid soap with Colgate toothpaste. Liquid soap works as a grease-fighting agent, cutting through grime effectively. The mild abrasives in toothpaste gently polish and remove residue while leaving a thin protective film on the glass. This film helps resist water, dirt, and fogging, making your side windows clear longer. Start by mixing a small amount of your favorite liquid soap with a pea-sized dab of Colgate toothpaste on a damp cloth. Gently scrub the inside and outside of your side windows with circular strokes, applying just enough pressure to lift away grime without scratching. Rinse off with water and wipe dry with a microfiber towel for a streak-free finish. Using this combo regularly improves visibility, especially on rainy or cold days when fog and dirt usually cloud your view. Secret 5. Fog-free windows with potatoes. Foggy car windows aren't just annoying, they create dangerous blind spots, especially in colder months or humid conditions. Most drivers reach for expensive anti-fog sprays, which sometimes offer only short-term relief and involve frequent reapplication. Here's a surprising old-school solution: using a potato. The starch inside a raw potato creates an invisible, moisture-repelling barrier when rubbed on windows. This natural coating prevents water vapor in your breath or cold air from condensing on glass, keeping it clear for weeks. Grab a raw potato and cut it in half. Rub the inside cut surface evenly along the inside of your windshield and windows. Let the starch dry on the glass for a few minutes. Then buff the glass lightly with a clean cloth to remove excess residue. Your windows will stay drier and more transparent in everyday foggy conditions. This method is non-toxic, extremely cheap, and easy to repeat as often as needed. Secret 4. Baking soda for odors. Ever get into your car and immediately get hit by the smell of fast food leftovers, sweaty gym socks, or just general mustiness? That lingering odor can turn every drive sour. But there's an easy fix hiding in your kitchen cupboard: baking soda. Baking soda is a natural odor absorber. Place an open container or bowl under your car seat and leave it there for a few days. It works by capturing and neutralizing odor molecules instead of masking them with fragrance like most air fresheners do. For an extra fresh twist, add a few drops of your favorite essential oil like lemon, lavender, or eucalyptus to the baking soda. This combo not only banishes stale smells but leaves your cabin smelling subtly clean and inviting. The best part? Baking soda is cheap, non-toxic, and set it and forget it simple. No complicated devices or sprays, just a clean-smelling car with minimal fuss. Secret 3. DIY tire cleaner. Shiny black tires pop visually, making any car look instantly cleaner and newer. But buying tire gel from the store can be pricey and loaded with chemicals. Instead, make your tire cleaner with things you probably have at home. Mix some water with a small squirt of dish soap and a splash of vinegar in a spray bottle. Spray this on your tires, then scrub with a medium bristle brush to remove dirt, brake dust, and grime. Rinse off with water, wipe dry, and your tires will look showroom ready. Dish soap cuts grease effectively, vinegar acts as a mild acid to dissolve tough grime, and water rinses everything away easily. This DIY cleaner is safe on rubber, easy to make, and saves you about $15 per cleaning session. Besides the money saved, you also avoid harsh chemicals that can degrade tire rubber over time. Cleaner tires improve curb appeal and make your whole car look cared for. Secret 2. Use a sock for cup holders. Cup holders are notorious for collecting crumbs, spilled drinks, and dust. Cleaning them with small brushes or vacuum attachments can be tedious and ineffective. But here's an unconventional but smart trick. Use an old sock. Wrap a clean sock around a sturdy cup or jar. Spray it lightly with your favorite car interior cleaner or all-purpose cleaner, and then twist the sock-covered cup inside the cup holder. The fabric scrubs the interior, loosening dirt and absorbing grime in seconds. This method reaches deep into corners and crevices without scratching your car's interior. Plus, it's quick and uses something you likely have at home, avoiding specialty tools or multiple cleaning trips. Regularly cleaning cup holders not only improves car hygiene, but also prevents sticky residue buildup that's tough to remove later on. It's a small step with a big impact on keeping your ride fresh. Secret 1. Conditioner for car paint. Ran out of car wax or polish but want to give your car's paint some protection and shine? Hair conditioner with lanolin makes a surprisingly effective alternative. Applying a thin layer of conditioner to your car's paint works much like wax by adding a shiny layer, repelling water, and offering mild protection from dirt and UV damage. Lanolin in the conditioner helps nourish surfaces and adds gloss. Apply the conditioner with a soft cloth or applicator pad in small sections. Let it sit for a few minutes without drying completely, then buff off with a clean microfiber towel. Your paint will look more vibrant, smoother, and feel slick to the touch. This trick is especially handy when you're short on car care products or need a quick shine boost before an event. The conditioner is safe on paint, inexpensive, and easy to use without special tools.
Instead, evenly spread household baking soda on the carpets.
Like that. Spread it all across the carpet. Leave it overnight. Make sure it got everywhere.
This is considered one of the best homemade tire revitalizers you can make at home.
Look at the baking soda is progressing well at cleaning the leather here.
You don't need a garage full of tools or a mechanic's bill to keep your car in top shape. Just everyday items and a little know-how. Try these car secrets and let us know your favorite. Like, share, and subscribe for more hacks that save you time and money on the road. Thanks for watching.